Let's celebrate every day as unique and new one. But how? That is a $1 million question, it seems. But if you see it clearly, it is commonly found that there are certain things which do not require any kind of specialization. They do not come at very high price. Almost they are free and they are available to every one of us. And one of them is common sense. People say there are two things which I highly regard in everyone, and everyone is having, and everyone can go for them for more and more. One is common sense, that we say that it is not common in everyone. Another is humility, that I have been mentioning since so long, that if we have all the qualities and if we do not have humility, we have that fatal flaw. And this fatal flaw starts from very beginning. As a child, when we start experiencing more energy in the body physically, then we come to know that we do so many things which are not required by society, which are not needed in family, which our community does not like to see, and sometimes they are not good for any nation. But how that happens? It is just a simple fact that something that is more, it is likely to be, misused. Same is the case with our physical powers or physical energies. As a child, as an adolescent, a person who observes these things, a child who goes for change in the body, he also goes certain chemical changes in mind. And if we are not properly brought up, if our education is not focused on values, there can be problems. And sometimes there are problems which generally go haywire. Many times we find many bright students, they go wrong way. Those who have done very good education, but if they have become morally corrupt, they can be a problem for everyone, starting from family members. There are many cases. And the reason is that they lack only one thing, they do not apply the common sense. Sometimes they are attracted by people or group of people, those who are not positive in outlooks. It is happening everywhere. In classes you can see there are some students dominating the class, and sometimes they are not contributing, sometimes they are in many ways distracting. In offices there are some people always critical, complaining, criticizing, condemning, rather than proving themselves. Same way in the society you find people full of negativity, they are infectious. They lack this common sense, that by criticizing, condemning, demeaning anybody, you are not going to get anybody in your favor. Even the hardest criminal, if you ask about his crime, tries to justify. And how can somebody with a common mind can take any wrongdoing to his credit? So criticizing anyone is of no value. Rather, we can appreciate, and if we really love him or her, we can try to convince very gently, politely, in another way that these things are not required. So go for this common sense, go for channelizing your physical energies and sometime your mindset for a positive living, to celebrate every day as a new day, unique day, to contribute something to our motherland. That's all for today. Have a nice day, enjoying yourself. May God bless us all.